Welcome to another new video here in Sukuta, Nema, the Gambia, West Africa. This is the latest update on this new road which the government is constructing here in this part of Sukuta, Nema, the Gambia, in the year 2026. Yep. What's up everybody, it's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly consider subscribing, like and share this video with friends and families. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the latest update on this new road here in Sukuta, Nema, the Gambia, West Africa, in the year 2026. So guys, before wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and then continue showing you guys the latest update on this new road. Anyways viewers, as you guys can see, this is an asphalt road. Yep. And then this road leads all the way to Nema. Yeah, and this is how this surrounding looks too. This is how it looks here. And these poles you guys are seeing will be the street light poles. Yeah, this is a pole. Yeah, a street light pole. Yeah. And then I begin this video all the way from there, walking towards down there. So the street lights which they will be installing here will be solar street lights. Most of the new roads which the government is constructing here in the Gambia, all the street lights which they install there are solar street lights. And this is a masjid. We have almost every corner of the Gambia there's a masjid over there, because majority of the Gambian population are Muslims and those are tricycles. Yep. You can take a tricycle here and then it will take you deep inside Sukuta, Nema, and some parts of Nema. Guys, let me get to this other side. So that I can get a better view for you guys, because I always want you guys to get the best from your boy, from me. Guys, this new road, it really changed the looks of this environment. Before they start constructing this road here, the road which was here before was so bad, especially in rainy season. Oh my goodness, you won't even want to come here with your vehicle. But just take a look now. The Gambia is developing slowly. You guys can see vehicles are enjoying this road. The road isn't finally complete, but vehicles start using it. This is what Princess is getting for you here. There's your donkey cart collecting prices. As I said earlier, guys, this road you guys are seeing, it leads all the way to Nema. And then if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. Your likes really helps a lot. It helps you to push the video to a larger audience. And then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel too. Your subscription also really helps a lot. It helps to grow the channel. Yes. This road looks smooth. Yep. So guys, the $1 million question is whether this road will last long, because most of the roads here in the Gambia, after 2 years, oh my goodness, there will be a lot of potholes. Yep. And this area is a developing area too. Yeah. And this is how the drainage looks here. This will be the drainage, as you guys can see. And this is the sidewalk. If you are enjoying this video, just give the video a big thumbs up. Yep. Wow. Guys, this is what is going on here, so you guys can see. One thing I recommend about this road is that when this road is done, it's complete, or even right now, if it is possible, they're supposed to put a speed bump here, because vehicles run here anyhow, like they run here so fast. Yeah, for the safety of the locals. And then guys, it's somehow windy out here too. Guys, this is where they'll be installing the solar street lights. As you guys can see, they put this mark here. Yeah, this will be where they will be installing the street lights, the solar street lights. I come all the way from there, walking towards down there, and then I just want to walk for a little bit and then close this video. Guys, another mark of a street light over here, as you guys can see. Right. And then there's another one over there. Just take a look. There's another one. It's not far, it's not that far. If you want another one too. And then this is where I will end this video. Yep. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. This is all what I have for you in today's video here in Sukuta, Nema, the Gambia, West Africa. It's your boy Prince Selka, boy from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast.